is CBS 11 News at 10.
If you have a dog, it's possible you've missed a night's sleep because the animal snores.
That's right. Snoring dogs are fairly common, but as CBS 11 Shannon Hoy reports tonight, there may be a way to help your pet and stop that snoring.
There's an expression, it's not the dog in the fight, but the fight in the dog that matters. But what about the snore in the dog?
She keeps us up at night and she drives me insane.
Lovable Lola snores. Apparently, so do many other dogs and cats. Like many pet owners, Allison and Monica share their beds with their best friend, and they're losing sleep over it.
It wakes me up in the middle of the night. You know, it's just like having a partner in bed, you know, the whole...
Now there may be hope for pets and their people. An over-the-counter product called SnoreStop. It claims it can stop the snoring savage beast, well, at least the snoring family pet.
Melody DeRavel has been in the snoring business for 10 years. Her father developed SnoreStop. It's homeopathic, all natural, and comes in pill or liquid form.
It shrinks the swollen soft tissue in the back of the throat, and it dries the mucus out of the sinus cavity, so that it opens up and clears both air passages.
From what I see under active ingredients, my feeling is that some of these things might open up the airway a little bit more.
Dr. Tina Chang is not big on homeopathic remedies. She says pets snore for the same reasons humans do.
This may help a little bit, but if we're talking about anatomical, obesity-related problems, this probably won't help a whole lot.
Good boy.
Both Monica and Allison gave SnoreStop a try. Prince took his medicine like a good boy, but the snoring didn't stop. As for Lola,
I gave her the spray and it seems to have prevented her from snoring. It seems to be working, so I'm kind of impressed.
Shannon Hoy, CBS 11 News.